Here's how to fix Discord disconnecting and reconnecting issue. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix this issue. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first method is just go to your Discord. And once you're in Discord, what you have to do is just press on settings right over here. And once you go to your settings, and what you have to do is scroll down a bit until you see voice and video. Just press on voice and video. And here, just scroll down a bit more until you see the option of enable quality of service high packet priority. Just turn this setting on. And once you've turned the setting on, it's gonna fix this disconnecting and reconnecting issue. So if it doesn't, you have to do the second method. So yeah, just minimize your Discord, and right now what you have to do is just press on Windows plus R to run your CMD. So yeah, just press Windows plus R and the run will pop up, and in the run you just have to type in CMD right over here. So just like this, CMD, and once you type it in and then just press OK, and this will pop up right over here. So what you have to type in right over here is just very simple. Just type in ipconfig. And once you do this, just press space and then slash. And then type in slash DNS. Once you do this, just press enter, and your DNS is basically flushed and your problem might be fixed. But if it still doesn't, what you have to do is just go to your settings and go to your network and internet, and then check if you are connected to any VPN or anything. If you're not, that's good, and if you are, just disconnect the VPN and you'll be good to go. So if it still doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just go to your control panel over here. So here, as you can see, and once you're in control panel, what you have to do is just press on view network status and tasks, and then once you press on it, just press on change adapter settings. And once you go right over here, as you can see on the internet settings, what you have to do is just press on this and press right click. And once you press right click, you'll be able to see the option of properties. Just press on properties, and here you'll be able to see Internet Protocol version 4. And then just press on properties again. And right over here, you will see this. What you have to do is just press on use the following DNS address. And then type in 8 on the first, 8 on the second, 8 on the third, and 8 on the fourth. And for the second one, for the alternate one, just press 8 on the first, 8 on the second, and then press 4, and then press 4 again. And then press OK. Once you do this, your settings will be changed, and yeah, you're pretty much good. And if your still isn't fixed, then it's the problem of your driver. So what you need to do is to download this little app right over here. It's called Driver Easy. So here, as you can see, I've already downloaded it. So to download it, just go to your browser and search up drivereasy.com or anything. And or just type in Driver Easy, and here it will be here. So just press on download and then install it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it, but you just need to open it. And once you open it, it's gonna bring up something like this. And yeah, you just gotta wait until it's open, and then just scan, and it's gonna scan your whole PC. And yeah, you just need to update, and it will just bring up all the drivers that you need to update and do all the tasks that you want. So yeah, once the process is done, you will be able to check out everything. Here, as you can see, it's telling me to update my driver easy, but I really don't have time to update. But yeah, this might help you out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video, and this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.